Gangappa. My grandmother name is Krishnabai. My father name is Basavaraj. My mother name is Rajeshwari. My sister name is Apurva. My brother name is Dhruva. My family, happy family. My family tree. My father, my mother, my sister, my brother. My name is Raksha.